welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone will be fine and I am also fine. As we all know, our English speaking course is going on, and yeah, this is a third day and hope so your practice going very well. But if you face any difficulty, you can ask me through comment section. Yeah, it's a third day and I will tell you in this video what we have to do in third day and how we can speak fluently and how we can improve our speaking skills. I will tell you and also give some tips. But yeah, firstly I want to sorry because I know my video quality is not good, but yeah, slowly I fix it. So without wasting our time, let's started it. So let's go it. As we all know that we have practiced yesterday affirmative sentence, but use also object with sentence, and in this video we will discuss negative sentence, how we can make negative sentence and how we can practice it. And yeah, but one thing remember it, we will not use object today, only we will practice simple sentence. So let's start it. So I am taking a verb that is go. So we will practice like this and make also sentence. I don't go, मैं नहीं जाता, you don't go, तुम नहीं जाते, she doesn't go, वह नहीं जाती, he doesn't go, वह नहीं जाता. I am not going, मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ, you are not going, तुम नहीं जा रहे हो, she is not going, वह नहीं जा रही है, he is not going, वह नहीं जा रहा है. I didn't go, मैं नहीं गई, you didn't go, तुम नहीं गए, she didn't go, वह नहीं गई, he didn't go, वह नहीं गया. I was not going, मैं नहीं जा रही थी, you were not going, तुम नहीं जा रहे थे, she was not going, वह नहीं जा रही थी, he was not going, वह नहीं जा रहा था. I will not go, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी, you will not go, तुम नहीं जाओगे, she will not go, वह नहीं जाएगी, he will not go, वह नहीं जाएगा. I will not be going, मैं नहीं जा रही होंगी, you will not be going, तुम नहीं जा रहे होगे, she will not be going, वह नहीं जा रही होगी, he will not be going, वह नहीं जा रहा होगा. Now come to the next one. I have not gone, मैं नहीं जा चुकी थी, you have not gone, तुम नहीं जा चुके थे, she has not gone, वह नहीं जा चुकी थी, he has not gone, वह नहीं जा चुका था. Last one. I had not gone, मैं नहीं जा चुकी थी, you had not gone, तुम नहीं जा चुके थे, she had not gone, वह नहीं जा चुकी थी, he had not gone, वह नहीं जा चुका था. Okay, clear it? As you all notice is that we have practiced all type of sentence. It's either be past tense, present tense, future tense, and also continuous tense, perfect tense, past perfect, present perfect, all types of sentence we have practiced it. And yeah, as you all know very well, we use this type of sentence during conversation, and yeah, it's must be helpful for you, and you have to practice like this, and yeah, you can speak English easily and fluently also. And yep, now I am going to giving some homework. You have to make more sentence but use different verbs and practice it. But yeah, one thing you have to remember it, you have to practice in fast, not in slow-mo. You have to practice like this. I don't come, मैं नहीं आता, you don't come, तुम नहीं आते, she doesn't come, वह नहीं आती, he doesn't come, वह नहीं आता. Like this you have to practice it. Because if you practice in fast, then their sentence take place in your mind, and yeah, in any condition you can use and you can speak easily without thinking. So yeah, you have to practice fastly. And yeah, you have to make sentence. I am giving verbs as you see in my video. In these verbs you have to use and make sentence and practice it. And yeah, if you have any query, you can ask me. I will give you a reply also. एंड एट द एंड मैं इतनी उम्मीद तो रख सकती हूँ कि आप जो मैं होमवर्क देती हूँ उसकी प्रैक्टिस ज़रूर करते होंगे. एंड या यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वन थिंग, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस देन यू कैन स्पीक. इफ़ यू कांट प्रैक्टिस you can't speak English easily. And yeah, thank you for support me. And yeah, you also comment me ki in which type of video you want from me. You can comment me, and yeah, I will give also reply. And yeah, I try to make a video that topic. And thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep smile, keep practice. Bye bye.